Another important maintenance tip to keep your generator running smoothly and starting easily is cleaning the air filter. This is a Generac 6500 watt generator, and so the air filter's here on the front. So if you've got a different brand, that's usually what they look like. They're in a plastic box. But let's open this up and clean her out. You just simply unscrew the bottom screw here. Once it's taken out, this one you just lift the plastic cover off, and it is a foam filter here. Two ways to kind of tell if it's dirty. You want to clean it every season, but like if you've been running it a while, just kind of hit it. Is there any dust coming out of it? So if it's real dusty, it needs cleaned. Or as this one, you can see there's some oil that's collected on the bottom of it, and that's from one of these breather tubes that's coming from the crankcase. Has dripped a little oil in there. So to clean that, all you've got to do is take it inside, get some warm water and soap. It can be hand soap, dish soap, but just kind of soak it in there and get all that grease and dirt out of it. Don't wring it because there's a chance you could kind of tear it or damage it. Just kind of give it a good squeeze. Set it to the side, let it air dry overnight. And then once you're done, put the clean filter back in and then put the cover back on. Now that we've got the air filter done, if you want to know the basic steps of how to start the generator, you can click the video right there, or if you want to come back later, just hit that subscribe button or our logo, and we'll check you out on the next one.